Thinking of a small creature.
Yeah, I got it.
One that could fit right in the palm of my hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's going to draw something.
Okay.
Let me try this.
I'm going to draw.
Yeah, you're going to try to draw it.
A small creature that can fit in the palm of Drake.
You don't know what
If I drew Meek Mills, he'd be like, oh, man. All right.
To me, this looks a little bit like a frog.
I would absolutely agree.
You know, frogs are like, what do they say, the plague?
It's right. It rained frogs in Egypt.
The rain frogs.
It rained frogs in Egypt.
No.
Steph, come here. Is my mouth empty? Look, Steph. Is my mouth empty?
Yo, get your frog. Get your frog, son.
Hold on, make sure my mouth is empty. Is my mouth empty?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah. You got another frog, son? Yo.